So quick explanation what we're doing here. We're basically driving for dollars, but we're doing it a little bit different. We're trying to find abandoned properties, but we're also looking for bandit signs. So we know with the abandoned properties, we know those are typically motivated sellers. Try to contact them, see if they want to sell a house, but we're also looking for bandit signs from other wholesalers because those other wholesalers also have potential deals as well. So if we get the bandit sign with their phone number, we usually can reach out to them, see what deals they have available, see if they fit any criteria for any of our buyers that we have, and see if we can joint venture with them and sell a deal. Hi, my name is Brandon, and I was calling about a for sale by owner sign on a lot.
Yep.
Are you the owner?
I am the owner.
Okay, cool. Well, what are you asking for the place?
I'm asking 55.
55. Okay.
So.
Are you just hoping to get all cash? Are you okay taking payments on it or anything?
Hoping for all cash. I mean, yeah, I don't think I'd really want to get to the payment thing.
Okay. Do you do real estate full time too?
I do.
Oh,
yep.
What type? You do fix and flip stuff, or what type of?
Yeah, I own a home investors. We buy the homes franchise.
Oh, you do. Are you also looking to flip some properties? Like if I have some wholesale deals too?
Yeah, we take a look at anything. Absolutely.
Okay.
Yep.
Hey, this is my cell phone.
Stuff like that?
Yeah. That's what I do all the time. Would you mind if I got your full name and email? I'll save it on my phone and send you over something when I get it. So, not only are we driving for dollars, but we're driving for dollars looking for motivated homes, but driving for dollars looking for bandit signs as well. That's a big key. Bandit signs can help expand your buyers list and also expand your inventory. So you can use other people's properties, OPP, and other people's buyers, OPB. So whenever you're doing driving for dollars, make sure to look for not only vacant houses or abandoned properties, but also look for bandit signs and call those investors.